Sage 300 – Guidelines on Implementing a VAT Rate Change. Please ensure that you make sufficient backups of all your related MS SQL datasets before making any changes. It is recommended that changes are made at month end as part of the period end procedures. You would first have to log on to Sage 300 with the admin user account. This is to ensure you have the correct user permissions to change settings within the system. Preferably have all the users logged out of the system, just in case some are processing operational documents, i.e. invoices, credit notes, etc. Finalize all day-end processing and post all resulting batches in accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash book, and general ledger. Post all open transactions and ensure that there are no open transactions in any of these modules. Navigate to Common Services and select Tax Services. Print all tax tracking reports either to printer or to file. You may also print other reports for safety. Clear tax tracking. To clear tax history, open Common Services, navigate to Tax Services, select Tax Periodic Processing, and open Clear History. Select types of records to clear: sales, purchases. Note, you can select any or all types of records. In the Through Year Period field, specify the fiscal year period through which to clear records. Click Process and then click Close. When completed, click on the Tax Authorities icon to confirm the South African tax authorities that have been configured for your selected Sage 300 company. Once you have confirmed the applicable South African tax authorities, which will be updated, you can close the Tax Authority screen and open the Tax Classes icon. The current configuration for the South African tax authorities' tax classes will look like the illustration below. Double-click on the description field of the existing standard VAT and capital goods VAT, where applicable, lines to edit the descriptions of these tax classes and change these descriptions to reflect the new 15% VAT rate for easy reference purposes. Select the last tax class on each screen and press Insert on the keyboard while this line is highlighted to insert new tax classes in each of the lists, i.e., you will need to create new tax classes for the sales customers, sales items, purchases vendors, and purchases items combinations. Save all tax classes changes and close the tax classes screen. Open the tax rates icon and update the tax rates tables for the South African Tax Authority tax classes. Update the current 14% tax rates to the new 15% tax rate for standard and capital goods VAT, and enter 14% as the applicable tax rate for newly created tax classes. After the tax rate changes, test all transaction types to ensure everything looks fine after changes have been made. Old and completed transactions will retain the old tax rate. New PO returns, OE, and AR credit notes, etc., posted against existing PO receipts, OE shipments, OE and AR invoices, etc., will be posted using the updated 15% VAT rate. Please ensure that users manually change the applicable tax class to reflect the old 14% VAT rate when reversing transactions are posted applicable to transactions originating prior to 1st of April 2018. If any document specifications such as invoices, credit notes, debit notes, quotes, purchase orders, and job cards have the term VAT at 14% hard-coded to the document, a customer will need to request assistance from a consultant to assist at a standard billable rate. If a VAT formula was hard-coded at 14% on any custom reports, a customer will need to request assistance from a consultant to assist at a standard billable rate. The new rate change applies to all documents generated after the change has been made, and not prior to this change. Documents generated to correct original entries, such as credit and debit notes, need to be at the same rate as the original source document. Therefore, if you did not create a new line for the new tax rate and instead changed the existing tax rate, the system will automatically use the old tax class with the new rate. If in doubt, please contact a registered tax practitioner for assistance. Should you have any queries, please contact our support team.